Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys we are going to be doing our 89 Batmobile. So we are going to do stage 6 of build the 89 Batmobile. Now, a little bit weird, I've got kind of extreme vibes today because we're going to be putting in detail that we're not actually going to end up seeing. So at least we kind of know it's there, but very questionable why this has been done. Like I said, it's giving me very much X-Wing vibes where we put the details of the engine in and then we just covered them up, never to be seen again. But it is what it is, and it's a process, and yeah, it's got to be done. So it'll be interesting to see what it's like at the end of this stage. So guys, let's get on with the build today. So with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay guys, so stage 6, here we go. So we're going to need our engine from the previous stage. We've got basically 3 more turbines to put on. So these are just going to fit onto here. There is a D-shaped pattern, so it can only go on one way. Okay, cool. Looking good. Okay, so now we've done that, next thing we need to do is we need to get this detail here. We're going to be putting this on. It's kind of going to lock everything in there. Okay. Then, next thing we need to do is we need to bring these 2 parts together. One side is a little bit difficult to put together. I don't know whether it's because I have actually had to pull this apart. Right, that's definitely not going in. So I need to work out why. Let's get some let's get a file on it and open out the holes. Like I said, it could be because obviously this was actually put together and I've actually taken it apart. So, and that is just clearly because I'm wanting to do the videos from stage 1. So we'll open up these holes. And I think that will solve the problem. Now these actually don't need to be glued in place because they're going to get held in with screws. Yeah, that has definitely helped us cause. Okay, so with that together, now we do have a notch and a notch on here. So it will be properly aligned, just like that. Then we are screwing this on with 4D screws, which I have in my screw trays. I do these for every build that I like to do. That's one in there. One in there. But you can see what I mean. That detail, all them turbine fans, is actually hidden. We're never going to see it. Which is a little bit, really? But it is what it is. Okay, so that's now in place. We've got the 4D screws in. And that is actually all there is to do in this stage. Now I am slowing it down a little bit on this one because basically I've got up to stage 8, but I don't have anything past stage 8. So I'm hoping the next delivery comes soon. I know Paul has sorted out it being delivered to my address, but yeah, that's what it's looking like. It's just a shame, like I said, that them turbines are going to be covered up. It's would be nice if they were seen, or like a cross section could be seen, but yeah, it's a process that we just have to undertake in Part Work World. It just happens, but that's what it's looking like at the end of the stage, and that is stage 6 complete. Well, that's it for the 89 Batmobile today, guys. Like I said, I'm slowing it down. I would be maybe doing 2 issues per week, but at the moment, like I said, I've only got up to stage 8, so I am waiting on a delivery from Fan Home for the next set of parts. They will come, but like I said, it's just a waiting game at the end of the day. I'm still waiting, to be honest, with my next parts for the Enterprise D. They should have been here probably quite some time ago, but again, they're delayed. I don't know what's going on with Fan Home at the moment, but it seems to be an issue on their part where things are just not going out on time, which is rather strange. I've had the same thing with the Lancaster bomber. That should have been here last week, and still that has not arrived yet. So don't know what's going on in the delivery of part works, but hopefully we'll get more parts soon, which means more builds. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, please can you give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell and you'll be notified of any future videos. But as for always, stay safe and bye for now.